What's up, guys? Alright, so another day, another vlog in here in Japan. Today Under was sleeping. So today I wanna like do some remodeling to this house. Just a quick one, just on the floors. Let me show you guys. Look at all this dust and this like dirtiness. Like, it's nasty. Look at it. You got hair, dust, and just bunch of stuff. Like, don't judge me. I clean this house. I try to clean this house as much as I can, and it's just, I want to blame the floor because it's white. Look at it. See, it's white. So obviously the dust is all gonna be, you know, seen by it. So I want to kind of like put a beautiful carpet kind of thing. It's gonna be really simple work, but it's gonna totally make a difference to this house. I'm thinking like a puzzle carpet kind of thing, just, you know, to put around to not make the dust and the you know, stuff more visible. I know it doesn't change the fact that there's dust, but then it'll still make visually it'll make it beautiful. That's the main goal. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's go. Okay, we decided to buy 35 of these guys, and then we're just gonna spread it all around. In my head, it's a good idea. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Let's go back home. Okay, we got back from the 100 yen shop, the 100 yen shop, Daiso. I think you guys know Daiso. There's actually one in the US. So well, one that it's a shop in US. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna have to clear up the dust first, make it all clean, and then put it on. Let's time lapse. Okay, so a minor problem. It's not enough. We don't have enough. I mean, it's perfect around here. It's still not enough there. It's perfect there. Oh god. This place is so small. It's perfect all the way down there. The kitchen. It's just not enough to go all the way down there. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna continue this tomorrow. Gonna continue doing this tomorrow. I will keep you up to date if you guys are interested into that. But now we are going to watch a movie. Let's just jump to the cinemas because it's you guys seen this. Okay, so we arrived at the cinema. It's the cinema that I've always been here. I'm gonna end the vlog here because I don't see any continuation of this. I will tell you this, we came here to watch The Incredibles 2. Came out yesterday, October 1st, here in Japan, so I'm gonna watch it. I'm a big fan, I love the first movie. I always love Dash. I like Dash. He's cool. I'm gonna end the vlog. That's show here. It goes right there. Yeah, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe. You know, do all this good stuff. Comment down below on what you think of the house. Was it a good idea for me to do it? I'm still on the break, but then I think because it's halfway, I'm thinking about it. So I'm just gonna finish it and then see how it is, if that makes sense at all. Yeah, there you go, Godzilla. Alright, I'm gonna finish with that. Alright, bye.